There are natural methods to make your home a more pleasant place during the summer or the hottest months. A great example is by decorating your home with plants that absorb the heat. With that being said, in this Daily Eco video, we show you some of these plants so you can feel fresh in your home this summer. Let's get started. Aloe Vera. This plant emits large amounts of oxygen that helps lower the temperature. Thus, an aloe vera plant at home helps to create a cleaner and fresher atmosphere, purifying certain harmful components from the air and creating a more pleasant environment. In addition, maintaining an aloe vera is very simple since it requires very little care. Of course, to improve its heat absorption capacity, we recommend cleaning its leaves from time to time. Aloe candlestick. This relative of aloe vera shares many properties and capabilities. This plant has a woody stem that can reach between 1 and 4 meters if it is planted outside. It has a bushy shape and is a highly branched plant. Its flowers are very striking, and because of the contrast of these with the green color of its leaves, it's used a lot in decoration. If you have it indoors, it will help you regulate the temperature of your house, but it will also grow less. Erika Palm. This indoor plant originates from Madagascar. In addition to being perfect for decorating the house, it doesn't require great care for optimal maintenance. It only needs a little water and the light does not need to shine on it directly. Likewise, it is capable of eliminating toxic substances from the environment, such as benzene and carbon monoxide, in addition to reducing the ambient heat. Rubber tree. The rubber tree is a fast-growing plant, so we must choose the place where we want to place it well so it can develop with no issues. This species stands out for its perspiration capacity that helps to maintain environments with pleasant humidity levels that also improves the air quality. In addition, it is very resistant to diseases and requires simple maintenance. Ribbon. This plant is used to improve air quality and is also capable of absorbing heat quickly. It requires moderate watering and indirect sunlight. In addition, it's very pretty to set both in bedrooms and living rooms. Before we continue, let's put you to the test. Where does the ribbon plant originate from? A. South Africa, B. Asia, or C. Central America? Think about it because at the end of the video, you'll be able to know if you're right. Cradle of Moses. This is a plant of great ornamental value capable of absorbing excess moisture in order to normalize the temperature of our home. As with aloe vera, we recommend keeping its leaves clean and placing it in an area of your home where the light does not shine on it directly. In addition, it is capable of combating fungi and mold in our home. Boston Fern. Unlike the other plants to refresh our home, the Boston Fern does need specific care, such as abundant watering, quality soil, and a lot of space for its growth. However, in return, it has a great capacity to purify environments and create environments with much more pleasant degrees of humidity to withstand high temperatures. Chinese palm tree. This palm tree has fan-shaped palmite leaves. It is widely used as a purifier since it cleans rooms easily by filtering harmful toxins in the air. Poto. This hanging plant is really well known and easy to recognize due to its characteristic heart-shaped leaves that has a great purifying capacity. Poto plants are capable of eliminating toxic substances and even odors, as well as being able to regulate the temperature of small rooms. Sansevieria. This plant is a species that stands out for its great rusticity, capable of surviving long periods of time without practically any care. It has the ability to purify the air and regulate the temperature of the spaces in which it is located. And going back to the question we had asked you before, have you thought about it? The correct answer is A. The ribbon plant, also known as the spider plant, is native to South Africa. So tell us, are you going to decorate your home with any of these plants? We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.